absolutely insane.
Thanks, man.
Well guys, welcome back. We got another video. These are my favorite videos to film. We got the white jeans on, so you know what we're doing. We're doing a roller video with one of the finished rebuilds. It's honestly pretty crazy, like that I own a bike that looks like this. If you're new here, I rebuilt this bike in a 3-part series here on my channel. Go check that out if you haven't seen it already. And I'm rebuilding a couple other bikes right now, so if you're not already subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button. We got more builds coming. Let me go over what's done to it. So we have our custom chrome teal fairing kit from NT Fairings. So these fairings right here, this is paint. This is not a wrap. And you're gonna look on their website. If you want them, you're gonna have to text the number and specifically order these because they don't make them in mass because, you know, they're a little bit more pricey and it's a very specific thing. There's no sponsor or anything plugging it. NT just makes a quality product and they've been hooking up with me, or they've been hooking me up. Hooking up with me. They've been hooking me up since like day one when I had like 300 subscribers on the channel. Good product. They made these, first ones to make them. We got new headlight in it. I got LED light bulbs. Pretty simple, just white powder coated wheels. I still might turn them back to black because it doesn't really look exactly the way I thought this was gonna look when we built the bike, but I don't know. I told you guys about what to do for the GSXR logo right here. We just did a matte black decal. Cut out a couple of decals last night and we gotta put these on before we can start filming the video. $1 on them. Try to be. And then we got a couple of things I'm gonna need to do right here once I got more time. There's still a couple little things that need to be addressed on this motorcycle before it's 100% and I can be riding this thing around. We got double bubble smoked windscreen. We got smoked turn signals in our mirrors, which some people don't like these, but I like them because I like to see what's behind me. Shorty levers, the ones that flip up. This is always just, you know, something you gotta do. The stock ones kind of look like dog water. We've got smoked tail lights with you know, something a little funky going on right. There's like a little, like, what's the thing on Thanksgiving where you got the wishbone?
Wishbone, yeah. There's
a little wishbone looking piece that goes right here. I need to order that. I put this little thing in the toilet roll thing to keep it from flopping around there, but we already talked about that. It'll get taken care of later. Before I don't address that, there's something up with it, and then I see in the comments people be like, oh, he didn't do this, that is not done. It's just, I just haven't gotten to it yet. I got like a lot of stuff I'm building right now and a lot of stuff off camera that I'm building, to be honest. We just color matched everything, did the rear sets black, had everything just go all as one. And I have to clear brawl this. It's not clear brawled right now. Let's cut over to the shots of this thing actually on the road. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hey, if you guys go like the video, helps it reach a broader audience.
Yeah,
Thank
no
you so
problem.
much.
Seriously.
Those are probably going to be the smoothest rollers we've got because
Yeah?
like this is ideal. We got a bunch of really good shots. Bike's all loaded up. And it's time to edit this puppy and get it out to you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch y'all later. Peace out.